In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the application did not respond on Midjourney. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I want to make a disclaimer and say that when you encounter this issue, it's probably not your fault. It's usually Discord or most specifically Midjourney servers that are down, and there isn't really much you can do about it besides wait. However, some main solutions might help you, and I'm going to show you 3 methods to check if Midjourney is working properly. First, open up the Midjourney Twitter page or the Reddit page and make sure Midjourney servers are up and running. Look for any errors or see if people are talking about servers being down or not working. If you see that servers are down, all you can really do is wait, because the problem is not at your end and you just need to ensure that Midjourney servers are up and running. Likewise, make sure Discord servers are operational and working properly before trying to use Midjourney. Lastly, if you really don't want to wait, you can try removing Midjourney from your Discord server, waiting a couple of minutes, and then re-inviting it to the server to see if that fixes the issue. Sadly, most causes for this error are just connection problems, and you just need to wait until they fix themselves. I hope the methods I presented to you in this video will help you on your problem. If this video helped you clear up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.